Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I have a good news for you that the Trivia Week 2 has been launched few minutes ago. You can join the game now. I'll provide the game link and the access code in the description. Now you can see, just scroll down a little bit here, you can see all the information regarding this games, and just scroll down, and you can see that this Week 2 has been launched few minutes ago. So just click on Start button and firstly copy the access code. Copy it very carefully as it's case sensitive. So just click on the Join the Game to join the game. And then paste the access code and click on Join, and you have joined this arcade trivia August Week 2. So just try to complete this game. It's very easy. You can see this start here, and don't skip this here. Don't skip this, but it is not required, so you can skip it. But to learn, you can just go ahead, or here you can see this what's next part. It is also not required to complete this course, and to complete this game, so you don't need to click on these links. So simply you just have to complete this. We can click this arrow icon, then you can see these 4 labs, and all the labs are required to complete this game. So just click on the labs and perform these laps and just complete it and get your game badge, and after completing this game you will be getting 1 market point. So just try to complete as soon as possible as you will receive 1 market point for these 4 laps, and it's very easy. So just check it out. Don't forget to subscribe us. We'll be providing all the solutions in our YouTube channel. So just stay tuned.